Yes, Sritan, are you ready to learn? Yes, Sritan.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishikesh, Javali. Yes, please on your cam, student, quickly. Hurry up, please.
Ma'am, 5 minutes, ma'am. I'm attaching my webcam to my.
Okay. Something diagram I can see on your cam symbol off like that. Right.
Ma'am, now you can see me.
Right, children. Right now, are you able to see my screen, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And children, other class we discussed.
Rishikesh,
About, please mute your mic. Someone is unmuted the mic. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, Rishikesh.
Rishikesh, please mute your mic first. Yeah. So we discussed about different types of fractions. Yes, Javali, what is irreducible fraction, Javali?
Ma'am means it cannot be simplified.
Very good. That is only the simplest form. Good. HCF of numerator and denominator should be equal to 1. What are coprimes, Javali? Yes.
Ma'am, coprimes means the numbers
Yes, correct. Come on. Numbers.
which are beside.
No, that is consecutive numbers.
Yeah.
What are Deepthi? What are coprimes, Deepthi?
Ma'am, the HCF is 1.
Very good. The two numbers, the pair of numbers whose HCF
And
is
they have HCF as well.
1. Good. Yes, yes. What is consecutive numbers, Rishikesh? Consecutive numbers. What are
Ma'am, consecutive.
numbers?
And the consecutive numbers are the numbers which come, ma'am, means which comes side by side, ma'am. Like
Very good.
when we are plus
Immediately
1, the next number comes. Like
good, good, very good. And very good. And what are other things? Prime numbers. Sritan, what are prime numbers? Sritan, nice. Mentioned many times. What are prime numbers? Sritan.
Ma'am.
What are prime minister? Who is prime minister for India? Why prime numbers are very important? Yes. Come on, hurry up so that we can start our next chapter today. Next topic, decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, make it fast.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Manish.
Yes, ma'am. Prime numbers are the numbers which have the factors which are 1 and the number itself.
Very good, Manish. Good. What are composite numbers too, Manish?
Ma'am,
ma'am,
the
1 and
composite
number
numbers.
itself.
No, composite numbers.
Ma'am, composite numbers are having many factors.
And the numbers which have more than 2 factors.
More than
are
two.
known as
Good.
Like one and the number itself and the other factor.
Yes. Which is the least factor to any number?
1.
Which is the
And one.
largest factor? Yes, which is the largest factor?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
and
there's
the
no
largest factor will.
Number
Yeah,
itself.
ma'am.
Multiples are
Number
limited.
itself.
Yes, multiples are finite or infinite?
Unlimited, ma'am.
Infinite. Whereas
Infinite,
factors are
ma'am, they are finite.
finite. That those are the important things. And coming to divisibility rules, also very important. Children, please not it's a class 7, right? No, class 7, right. Oh, I'm going with this is class 7, right? Okay. Yeah. Now coming to the fractions. Fractions are different types of fractions we discussed, and like, unlike, and proper mixed numbers, improper fractions, mixed numbers, how to convert mixed to improper and improper to
Ma'am,
mixed, we know very well. And addition of unlike fractions to make as like means you need to find the LCM of denominators. In that there are finding different techniques to solve LCM. If given numbers are
ma'am,
yes, someone is calling.
ma'am, can you send the material in WhatsApp, ma'am?
Yeah, we'll post in classroom now. Today I'll inform to sir to supposed to keep this here. I gave this part as a homework. I'm not sure my students how many of you completed.
Ma'am, I did it.
Dipti completed?
I,
Good, good Dipti.
ma'am, I also.
Yes, who? That's some work is given by teacher. You're supposed to be now. Next,
Ma'am, can you go up? I'll just take a screenshot.
next, yes, Nana. Yes.
Ma'am,
Next,
I have a doubt in 12th sum, ma'am.
12th sum. Okay. 12th sum we discussed in the class the other day, ma. I think you are absent. Okay, I'll help you.
I'm 12th and 13th over, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am shades too.
Now concept level, Deepta will help you last. So because I can give a last a clue to that part. And now we are going with the concept application level 2. And before going to concept application level 2, Amat, please respond, Amat.
Yes, ma'am.
Amat, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Just joined.
Oh, yeah. Amat, yes, what are sorry, LCM of 4 and 8? What is LCM of 4 and 8?
8, ma'am.
Very good. 15 and 30.
Mm,
15 and 30. That is also very same, Amat, like 4 and 8. 15 twice 30.
Ma'am, 30.
30, very good. And yes, 4 and 5 LCM, consecutive numbers, LCM of consecutive numbers.
Ma'am, the LCM of consecutive. Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Javali.
Ma'am, LCM of consecutive numbers will be always the product of.
Suppose 100 and 101. What is the LCM of 100 and 101? Is it consecutive numbers? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, children, these are the different things we, before going, once again, we'll discuss those things. Then we can start our concept application level 2. Very quickly, we can go ahead because these are, we know that very well. Addition, you know, subtraction, you know, division, you know, everything. Which of the following will make your expression true? So here they gave which of the following will your expression makes true. You have only 1 minute time to solve this question. How can you do this? Manish, what we should do? There are minus.
Ma'am, first we have to
Yeah.
do this 7 by 3 minus 2 by 6.
Bracket numbers you should be solved
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
Very good. On left
And
side, there are left and right both sides we have. On left side, he has Manish. Excellent, good Manish. We need to solve.
ma'am, and we have to do this right side bracket 4 by 5 into 8 by 6.
Very good, right? That part also.
And we have to do the
Now,
expression.
come on, please give the answer, Manish.
Ma'am,
I want to solve this part.
ma'am, 7 by 3 minus 2 by 6. LCM is 6.
6. So,
So
first,
3.
first,
So 3.
first fraction just multiply with
2.
very good. The second fraction no need. Now 7
Yes,
twos are 14. 14 minus 2 how much?
14 minus 2 is 12 by 6.
12 by 6. Can I write as a 1?
Ma'am, 12 by 6.
2.
Ma'am,
2. Now
by
coming to this bracket. Coming to this bracket, wait, Manish.
Ma'am, we have to do.
Wait, Manish.
Okay.
Wait. Sritan, are you there? Sritan.
Yes, ma'am.
Sritan, good evening, ma'am. My mic is not working. Sohana, okay. And Amat,
Yes, ma'am.
division of fraction. What I should do? Division of fraction.
Ma'am, we have to.
Jane, wait. I'll come to you, Jane. Wait, let her answer. First fraction as it is, I should write. Yes. Second, instead of division, what I should do? Amat. Instead of division. Yes. Instead of division. Amat. You see, Amat, 4 divided by 5. 4 by 5 divided with 6 by 8. So we are unable to do division of fractions, so that you can reciprocate 4 by 5 into 8 by 6. So any simplification part you can, yes, we can cancel 4 and 6 with the 2 table, yes or no? 2 ones are, sorry, 2 twos are, 2 threes are. Now 8,
Yeah, ma'am.
8 2 times 16 by 5. 8 2 times 16 divided by 15. 16 divided by 15. Coming to this part, what you will get, children? 16 divided by 15. Next, you can once again go with the left hand side portion. 2 by 6 means a half, 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. Plus you are getting this as what you are getting, children? You are getting as this is 16 by 15. This is minus, children. This is minus. 2 minus 1 by 2. 2
Ma'am,
minus,
it will be 1.5.
yes, sir. 2 minus 1 by 2 means no, 2 minus 1 by 2. What is the value of 2 minus half? You have
1.5.
very good, 1.5. Someone said logically, very good.
Ma'am, Javali.
Very good, very good. Like that, you're supposed to utilize, children, 2. That's why I mentioned 2 minus half. You have 2 liters, you are giving half liter. How many liters left with you? 1.5. Like that, you can generalize your questions to make your calculation simple. Now, 1.5, if you convert into mixed number, what happens? It's 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 16 by 15 is your left hand side. Coming to right hand side also, you
Yeah.
should do brackets first, Nana. You should do brackets first. Come on, please solve it. Bracket should be 6 by 8 and 3 by 4. Who will solve that? Before going to simplification part, children, you see, first bracket, this part I am taking 6 by 8 and 3 by 4 was given. So here 6 by 8 will be cancelled with the 3 table. So 3 3s are 3 4s are. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It's nothing but 6 by 4. Like fractions, we can write it as 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 you are getting. Same way, go with another bracket, children. Go with another bracket. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Both are unlike fractions. Find LCM. Come on, children, please hurry up. Find LCM.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. What is the answer, children?
ma'am, it is 19 by 12.
Very good. I got answer by Deepthi. 19 by?
12, ma'am.
Very good. 19 by 12, Deepthi. Deepthi said 19 by 12. Is it same? Is it same for other people too?
Yes, ma'am, it's 19 by 12.
Ma'am, I've sent you in chart.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
19
I've
by
sent you in
12 only,
chart.
ma'am.
This, if you convert them and the mixed number, come on, children, only 1 minute time for you.
Ma'am, 19 by 12 into
10 by 3. And here it's before that 4 by 5 division. Division part should be done first, children, once again. Come on, please do the division.
Ma'am, 1 7 by 12.
1,
1 7 by 12, ma'am.
which one division, ma?
No, ma'am. The mixed fraction of 19 by 12.
10 by 3.
Yes.
10 by 3.
Ma'am, it's 1 7 by 12.
Ma'am, I am telling the mixed fraction of 19 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to convert mixed, Nana. Just keep as it is and go with the division part. 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 2 should be done first.
Okay.
Because in Bodmas rule, division should come first. So you need to solve
Yes,
this
ma'am.
part.
4 by 5 divided by 3 by 2.
Yes, multiplied with 2 by 3. This is nothing but 8 by 15 once again. Now coming to your original question, what is the left over here? 8 by 15 minus 19 by 12 plus 10 by 3. Come on, children, do fast.
Ma'am, can you again tell what you have to do?
Ma'am, is it 4 by 5 divided by 3, 1, 2?
3 by 2 is 8 by 15.
Step 1.
Ma'am, is it 3 by 2 or 3?
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Ma'am,
1,
3
2?
by 2. 3 by 2.
Ma'am, 4 by 5. Ma'am, 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 2 is 8 by 15.
3 by 2 only we have in the question, right?
Ma'am, 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by 15.
Yes, correct only, 8 by 15. Come on, next 8 by 15 minus 19 by 12 plus, you have to simplify this, children. 8 by 15 minus 19 by
Yes, ma'am.
12 plus 10 by 3. Come on, please hurry up, give this addition first. 3,
Ma'am,
12,
it is
15
Ma'am,
else.
it is 8 by 15 minus 59 by 9, ma'am.
Minus 19 kada nana, 19 by 12.
Ma'am, I added and got the answer as 59 by 9, ma'am.
59 by,
59 by 12, ma'am.
is it 59, children? Before some I gave. But this part, 3 by 4
Ma'am?
plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 enta nana, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6.
Ma'am, I think ma'am, it's not 59,
3 by
ma'am.
4 minus 5 by 6. 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6, how much? Three by 4 plus 5 by 6, not minus. What is
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's plus.
LCM of 4 and 6?
Ma'am, it's 19 by 12.
Yes, 19 by 12 only, Deepti. You only said just before also.
Ma'am, I'm telling the sum of 19 by 12 and 10 by 3, ma'am.
19 by 12 plus 10 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you should not do Deepti. 18 by 15 you should do plus 10 by 3 you should do. Why? Because this type of equations happened. See, ma, Dipti, why you should do that first means 10 by 3, which is positive here. You can add up first, then only you should do subtraction. 8 by 15 plus 10 by 3 minus 19 by 12. Once again, you need to find LCM for all. LCM of 3 and 12. 3, 12, 15. What is LCM of 3, 12, 15? Yes,
Ma'am, it is 60, ma'am.
LCM of this part is 60. Is it 60?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't know also, you can go with procedure 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 4 and 5 consecutive numbers, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60. So to make as a 60 first fraction, 15, how many times 16? And 54 times 60. So you should multiply with 60. Then 3, how many times 60? 20 times you should
Ma'am,
multiply.
263 by, ma'am, it's 263 by 60.
So 12 into 5, 12 5s are 50.
Ma'am, 263 by 60.
Manish, let me check, Manish, what you are given is correct or not. 8 4s are 32. 32 by 60 plus 10 2s into 200 by 60 minus 19 5 times 95 by 60. Come on, children, 232 minus 95. Yes, so if you subtract, it's 7. This is 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. 137. Yes, same thing you got, Manish.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it's
137 by 60. This is your RHS, Nana, right hand side portion. Coming to the
Yes,
left hand, what is given in your left hand? Let me check that part too. Left hand side, what you are getting, ma'am? We did not simplify yet as the left hand side. Only the thing you are getting 2 minus half means 2 minus half means 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 4. This should be solved now. 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2 plus 16 by 15 plus 16 divided by 15 plus 3 by 4. You should do this part. Come on, please do this addition, children. Please let me know this answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Complete. 2 and 4 LCM was 4 only. 15 and 4 was 15 4s are 60. LCM left side to 16, Anna. Come on, please do this. 3 by 2 plus 16 by 15 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 2. Right hand, left hand side, what is getting? 3 by 2 plus 16 by 15 plus 3 by 4. Come on, children, if you take LCM for these all numbers, 2, 4, 15. We know that 2 and 4 LCM was 4. So 4 and 15 LCM was, these are co-prime numbers, so no common factor except one. It's a product is the LCM, 60 is the LCM. Without doing, if you do the procedure also, you will get 60, children. Now coming to original fraction, 2 table, when you will get 6, Nana, 2 3s are, that means you need to multiply first fraction
2
with
3s are, ma'am.
Next, second fraction denominator was 15. To make as 60, how many times you need to multiply with 4? And 3 by 4. Denominator was 4. 4 makes 20 means 4 table. When you will get 20? 4? 15 times 20. 4 15, so 60. So LCM we are going to equate 90 plus 16 4s are.
64, ma'am.
Huh?
16 4s are 64.
64. Very good.
16
One
4s are
is failed.
64.
Yes, 15 3s are.
Ma'am, it's 45.
Come on, add up these all. 100, 109, 109.
Ma'am, 199 by 60.
199 by 60. And other part, RHS part, what you are getting, Nana? 137 by 60.
137 by 60.
137 by 60. Which is greater among these?
Yes, sir.
Which is greater among these?
Ma'am, 199. Ma'am, 137 by 60.
99 is greater.
Ma'am, 137 by 60 is greater.
Very good.
137
199 is greater because these are like fractions 190. So this complete bit you need to solve in 1 minute, children. So which option, which symbol we can keep here? Let me erase some part so that you can see. Which symbol, less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal to symbol or can't defined. Which symbol I should keep here? What is the option?
A, ma'am. Option
What is the option, no?
A, ma'am.
A, greater than. Left hand side is greater than right part. Very good. A option was correct. So that this complete process you can do in 1 minute. Next question number 2. If you see question number 2, children. Yes, Deepthi, can you read the question 2 now?
Yes, ma'am. Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens. He gave 12 to Karthik and 6 to Meena. What fraction of the packet did he give to Karthik and Meena?
Yes, very good. So here by looking the question, Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens. That means he have 20 sketch pens. He gave 12 to Karthik and 6 to Meena. That means how many he
Ma'am,
gave?
it's 1 by 10. 1 by 10.
Very good. How many he gave both for both Karthik and Meena?
18.
18. What fraction of the packet did he give the Karthik and Meena means 18 out of
20.
20.
20. 18 out of 20. If you simplify, we should not write as it is, children, because always you supposed to
Ma'am,
write
it's 9 by 10.
10, ma'am.
9 by 10.
9 by 10.
Yes. Manish, why you are getting, yes, it's 9 by 10. Next, question number 3. Rishikesh, can you read the question 3?
Yes, ma'am. The number of storybooks that he read in October as a fraction of the total number of storybooks read is.
The number of storybooks that he read in October as a fraction of the total number of storybooks.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am,
Huh.
this
where
question,
is the question there, ma'am?
ma'am, this question is like incomplete, I think.
Incomplete. Please think any clue you are going to get the number of storybooks that he read in October.
Ma'am, October have 31 days, ma'am. At least we cannot simplify the
only
denominator.
the storybooks, right? October has fraction of the total number of storybooks read is.
Ma'am, like
Ma'am,
we
I
should
think it
know
can't.
how many storybooks he read for one day or like that.
Like that information was not given, but the question is number of storybooks that he read in October as
Ma'am, I think it's a printing mistake.
no a fraction of total number of books read.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it can be a printing mistake, ma'am, because
Books about
it
the
is
quantity
taken
should
as
be given. So then whatever this is, the quantity somewhere missing.
Ma'am,
Yes,
like if we take he's reading one book for one day, like we can
31 days. October have how many days? But that
13.
condition also not given, Javali. That
Ma'am,
condition
can
should
you
be
do-
given. That condition
Ma'am,
should
ma'am,
be
at least we can check the denominator and we can simplify it. Means the October have 31 days, ma'am. We can't simplify 31.
no number of storybooks that he read in October as a fraction of total number of storybook read is. Even I feel somewhere missing the question. Okay, question number leave 3 that part. Children, go to the question number 4. Arrange the following in ascending order. This is very interesting question, important question to children. Ascending order means ascending means small to big, children. Always negative integers are smaller or greater.
Smaller.
Very good. That means you can first find out the LCM of this part, children.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Lohini. Yeah, sorry,
No, ma'am, Javali.
Javali, please.
Ma'am, if any negative integer is there in the denominator part.
Yes, we can. That is the standard form. Very good question asked by Javali. Because, ma'am, suppose this is a number like minus 3 by minus 5. Yes, Javali, this you can write it as minus 3 by 5, Javali. Because it is the standard form. Even
Yes,
though if they gave like that, you can rewrite like that.
okay.
Very good question. Very good question. Good.
I heard,
Yes, Deepthi.
ma'am, if it is given like minus 3 by 5,
Hmm.
ma'am, then can we write like 3 by minus 5?
Exactly, but Deepthi, it's because both are same only, Deepthi. Both are same, Deepthi. But this is
We should not write
this form
the
only
negative
we will
number.
call it as a standard form, Deepthi.
Okay.
Very good.
Ma'am, if we need to add or subtract with this fractions, we should simply do the LCM and add the integers. Ma'am.
Exactly.
Add or
Exactly. Because it is like just no need of denominator sign or numerator sign. No need to confuse. You just standard form you can convert. See, children, by looking only 1 minute time, as I said, you need to complete 1 minute time. So, as my view, how I can guide my children, 5, 10 LCM was 10. Here 5 is there. Here 10 is there. Negative integers. I'm speaking about negative integers, Nana. Listen carefully. Daksh, what is LCM of 5 and 10?
LCM of 5 and 10, ma'am, 2.
My dear.
Ma'am.
5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10.
This 5.
That is HCF.
I
Least
think
number is
20.
HCF. LCM.
Ma'am, I think 20.
No, 5 and 10. 5 twice only 10,
10.
right? Ma, greater number is the
Ma'am,
else
10.
10. 10 and 7. There is another number. You need to find 10 and 7. LCM of 10 and 7, both are co-prime numbers. So 10 sevens are 70. Yes. Now, to make these three fractions as like fractions, what I can do, ma? First fraction I should multiply with what number?
Ma'am,
Okay, children, I'll do in detail on screen because you people are simply sitting.
ma'am, you can multiply it with
1
14.
by 4. Listen. I will go with a complete procedure because you people.
Ma'am, we should multiply it by 14.
Ascending order means you know what is ascending order, ma? Small to big. Which is a small, which is big means we know that negative integers are always smaller than. That's why I'm taking here my negative. What is the question? Let me write the question on screen. 1 by 4, 6 by 7. 1 by 4, 6 by 7. What is another fraction, children? How you will do in 1 minute this question? That is more important. Everyone can do. Minus 3 by 5, minus 5 by minus 3 by 5, minus 5 by 10, and
Ma'am, here can't we just simply say that
minus 2 by
minus
7.
5 is the lowest, so it will be the
Minus
lowest.
2 by 7. Now, as my experience, first you need to compare this because which is greater, which is smaller. If you know, then it is easy for you to remember. Very, very easy because this is 6 by 7 and this is 1 by 4. This is little later we will discuss this positive fractions. Only negative fractions only I'm doing first. So LCM of 5, 10, 7. LCM was 70. Just now I said. Just now I said these two LCM was 10 and 10 and 7 LCM was 70. So to make LCM part was LCM I'm getting as only 70 for these three numbers, not for all. So to make my fractions as like fractions, first one I should multiply with the 14. 14 5s are 70. Next second one 10 should become 70 means I should multiply with the 7. So minus 2 by 7. Denominator is 7. To make as 70 I should multiply with the 10. Now 14 3 times. 42 by minus
42
35
by
70.
70.
Minus 20 by 70. Which is greater, Nana?
Ma'am,
Negative
minus
integers
20.
quite opposite. Which is
Minus
greater, which is
20.
smaller?
Ma'am, minus 42
minus
by
20.
70.
Minus 42
Ma'am.
by 20 is greater or smaller?
Greater,
Ma'am,
smaller.
smaller.
Smaller. If you see number line, 0 is here, then minus 1, minus 2, so on. If you go with the minus 20 is very closer to 0. That's why minus 20 is greater fraction. So if negative integers quite opposite. So this is minus 42 by 70 is the smaller. So a corresponding original fraction was what, ma?
Minus 3 by 5.
Then minus 35 by 70.
Minus 35 by 70.
Corresponding fraction was.
Minus 5 by 10.
Then last one minus 20 by 70. Corresponding fraction was.
Minus 2 by 7.
Now go to the your positive.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Javali.
Mama, why don't we get correct answers for like if minus 5 is lowest in all of these? So
Javali.
yes, ma'am, like why don't we get the correct answers when like minus 5 is the smallest, right, in these all the three fractions?
We supposed to not because these are unlike fractions, right? Unlike fractions, that's why we did this procedure to make them as like. Like means we can compare easily which numerator by looking the numerators.
Okay, ma'am.
Javali, these are unlike. That's why we are making them as like. Then we are comparing.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Or else one technique I will that you want to go with the standard procedure only. Deepti, what's your doubt, Deepti?
Ma'am, why aren't we doing the ma'am like first to like 4 and 7? Why aren't we finding LCM first, ma'am? Ma'am,
1 by 4 and 6 by 7 you are asking, Deepti?
yes, ma'am. That first.
We will do that. Deepti is very easy. 1 by 4 and 6 by 7. If you want to compare, go with cross multiplication. Very simple technique. 7 and 24. Which is greater by looking. 6 by 7 was greater. This you can do easily, Deepti. That's why I'm not doing. 1 minute, 1 minute time. How you will do this question is very important.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jane, you understood, Jane? The comparison of the positive is more easier.
ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am,
Deepti.
ma'am, I have another doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Deepti, please.
Ma'am, like why can't we find LCM of 4, 7, 5, 10, and 7, ma'am? All together.
That also fine, fine. You can easily find out all together. And one more doubt you can make it, ma'am. You are telling about do cross multiplication for comparing fractions. Then why can't do for negative numbers also? You can ask such a question too. Minus 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 10. If I did cross multiplication, what happened, ma? It's minus 30. It's minus 25. So which is greater here? By comparing these two, this is the greater. Yes or no? Negative numbers, which is the smaller, that is the greater fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So by now I know that minus 5 by 10 and minus 2 by 7. By looking this, by doing cross multiplication, minus 35 it is. This is minus 20. That's why this is greater. That's why even you can do the within 1 minute time. There are different ways you can simplify and you can give the answer.
Okay.
Yes, you can like that. You can go with cross multiplication also. Very good, ma. These type of questions are more important, children. Not only this for IMO and this part, other two. Next, select the incorrect match. You can by looking only you can select the incorrect match. Which is incorrect?
Ma'am, the B1 is incorrect
Yes, ma'am. B1 is incorrect.
because it's 4 by 4.
Manish, it's 4 by 4.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is
B1 is 4 by 4.
6
Ma'am,
by Nana, 6 by now 2 by 6 kada?
2 by 6, ma'am.
2 by 6. Ma'am, 1 by 3, ma'am.
2 by 6 or 1 by 3 also given. Very good. But 2 by 3 was given. That's the wrong given here. Very good. Because it is since it is cube shape, cube has 6 faces. How many faces your cube is having? You just observe look at your room. Your room is cube shape. You just imagine. There are 4 walls around you. Is the 4 faces, top and floor. Top means roof and floor was the other 2 faces. Total 6 faces. So here top and roof was shaded. That means 2 portions out of 4. 6. 2 by 6 can be written as 1 by 3 also. That's why that is incorrect match. Very good. This is combination of fractions as well as decimals, children. Anyway, numerator part you can do easily. Come on, children, please solve this numerator part and let me do the answer. By looking only what is the LCM, Nana? 3 and 6. LCM was 6, 6 and 4. Just before some also you did the 6 and 4 LCM.
12, ma'am. Ma'am, 12, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Deepti, you are correct. Good. So please simplify that part, children. please simplify and give the answer of numerator part, not denominator. Numerator you're supposed to give. Once decimals are completed, even you can simplify the denominator too. Then we can answer of numerator and answer of denominator. Once again, you should do division. Such questions are very important to see. In our textbook, we are doing normal as usual questions. How differently, you know concept, how differently the competitive exams questions are occurring is more important, children. Most of the questions were covered. No need of separately preparation for your IMOT.
Ma'am, can you go up, ma'am?
Every day, at least 10 challenging questions practice in the holidays, children. This is the right time for you to spend your more time with the subject.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
like
can you give
not
quizzes?
I will give. Let me give this answer by the children. Then we can go with answer.
ma'am,
Yes, Javali.
ma'am, like not from these questions. I have a question from my school textbook.
Yeah, please.
Can you,
Yes, please. Please.
ma'am? Actually, I too don't know the answer.
Okay, please share. No need of answer. Give the question.
Find x
Find x
if
if
9 minus
9 minus
5 7 by 8
5 7. Oh, mixed number. 5 7 by 8. 1 minute. 5 7 by 8. Yes,
is equal to x
is equal to x
minus
minus
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Deepthi, you are doing this type of questions in class 6 only. Even I remember. You are wonderful at your algebraic expressions. Can you, Deepthi, please continue. Please help others too.
Ma'am, this 1 by 8 goes to LHS side, ma'am.
Very good. This minus 1 by 8, if you transpose to left side or right side, what happened? It become
Ma'am,
plus 1 by 8. That is the value of x. That's all, Javali. If you are able to transpose this to the left part, you know now again once this all things. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
You know very well. You can mixed number can be how to convert into improper. 8 5s are 40. 47 by 8 and plus 1 by 8. You know very well 9 plus 1 by 8 you do first, then you need to subtract. No, these two are like fractions too. Very good. Yes, come on, simplify this.
Yes.
9 plus 1 by 8. Many times I said 9 plus 1 by 8 is nothing but 9 1 by 8. 9 into 8, 9 how many times? 8 9s are 72, 73 by 8. 73 by 8 minus 47 by 8. 73 by 8 minus 47 by 8. So subtract 73, 47 from 73. What is the answer, children? Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 26.
Ma'am, 26.
26 by 8.
26 by 8 is the least form? No, lowest. Is it an irreducible fraction? We can
No,
reduce.
Yes, ma'am.
We can
Ma'am,
reduce.
Ma'am, 4 2 times or 4 30?
13 by 2. 13 by 2 can be mixed number.
Yes, ma'am.
6 1 by 2. Javali, this is the answer, Javali.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Javali. This type of questions also very helpful. Good. Only the thing that you need to know this, if I transpose to equal to other side, either left or right side, minus become plus, plus become minus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. If you know the techniques, you can do this part easily. Hope you understood. Ma, what is the answer for previous
Yes,
question? What I gave? How many of you gave the answer? Rishikesh was
19
given.
by
It is
12, ma'am.
Rishi.
19 by
I got answer from Rishikesh. Yeah, other students, please give your answers too in the chat box. Sritan, please respond and listen the class. You are not listening. Sritan, are you there?
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Let me check. Given by Deepthi. Very good. I too got answer from Deepthi. And other students, please come on, hurry up, children. Hurry up if you give answer quickly so that I can give last 10 minutes for your quiz. Or else I can teach. Or else I can go with my teaching part. If you are giving answers, everyone. Jane is not giving, Daksh is not giving, and Lohini is not answering it. Sritan is not at all responding only. Rishikesh, are you there in the classroom? No, he is not there. Manish,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing? Still
Yes, ma'am.
completed? Are you doing?
Ma'am, not completed.
Come on, hurry up.
Ma'am, 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 I have a doubt. Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, sir. Shall we go with the quiz part?
Ma'am, the fraction part is numerator and the decimal part is denominator. Ma'am.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, this is decimal part is denominator. Who are completed? You can even try with the decimal part too, children. You know very well how to add, subtract, divide. First do division in denominator, then add with the decimal number. One more answer I got from Lohini was given 424 by 72. Lohini, can you reduce that fraction? Yeah, please reduce that fraction, simplify that fraction. Jane was given answer. Very good, Jane. Very good. Okay, right.
Yeah, ma'am. I took a lot of
Complete
time.
division was done by Jane.
Yeah, ma'am. First I made this and I got a. Then I
Javali got some other different answer. 5 by 3. Yeah, Javali, you too correct. I think so. Javali, I think both the denominator and numerator part was given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very
No,
good.
ma'am, not.
Denominator also you completed.
No, ma'am, not denominator. Just I did the upper numerator.
Numerator. But another answer got by just children. 15 by. Wait, let me check.
Ma'am, like the LCM I got was
12.
12.
Correct. Correct. 19 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Most of the children are given 19 by 12. And Daksh was given some other different answer. Manish also got 5 by 4.
Ma'am, I didn't even give ma'am any answer. I'm doing, ma'am.
Not Daksh. Manish was given 5 by 4. Javali was given 5 by 3. Even Deepthi and other Rishikesh was given 9 by 12.
Mama, like
Yes,
in
ma'am.
4 table.
Yes, you can
So,
try. You can try whether any simple, silly mistake by you, please take it.
Ma'am, can you give us quiz, ma'am?
Sure, Jane. I'm searching. Meanwhile, I'm searching. You complete this part and give your answer. Because children, please, I will give. Don't worry, I will give.
Ma'am, I already gave the answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, you did not give quiz in last class.
A simple 10 questions.
We did, you did. Ma'am did.
10 questions. We are going with 10 questions.
Yeah, ma'am, 10 question quiz is okay with me.
Only fraction, decimals, basics I'm giving, Mama.
Bruh.
Yes. I'm sharing the link, children. Decimal, there are 18 questions are there, children. Please try it. It's not an issue. If you are wrong, also don't feel so sad because trying is more important than. There are 18 questions. Quiz is ready right now. I'm sharing the link. Please join quickly.
Mama, ma'am, once can you check and tell me my answer?
Previous. Okay. Meanwhile, you can join for quiz so that I will post your that question answer in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Because why we are wasting time, we can go with this too.